Best crypto to buy now November 28, Celestia, Uniswap, Toncoin. Disclosure: crypto is a high-risk asset class. This article is provided for informational purposes and does not constitute investment advice. By using this website, you agree to our terms and conditions. We may utilize affiliate links within our content and receive commission. The 7% TIA price surge so far today has positioned Celestia as one of the best crypto to buy now, while Uniswap and Toncoin have also caught the market's attention with their strong performance. In addition, crypto presales such as Bitcoin ETF token and meme Kombat are introducing fresh Bitcoin alternatives to the market. Best crypto to buy now in the news. After hitting its all-time high of $7.42 on November 16, TIA has pulled back to find support at around the Fib 0.382 level of $5.45. Since bouncing from this support, TIA has been consolidating between $5.50 and $5.90 over the past week, with TIA up 7% so far today as it attempts to retake the Fib 0.236 level of $6.21. It appears TIA is done taking a breather and is set on resuming its uptrend. UNI has also seen a noteworthy rally in November, with its price closing near 26% on November 22. Price forecasts suggest TIA could reach $6.05 by the end of November, with the token exhibiting strength in the last few days of the month as it consolidates above $6. Uniswap's long-term trendline suggests bullish sentiments with a potential positive long-term movement. Recent developments include a proposal by the Uniswap DAO to increase voting power for underrepresented delegates. The peak performance of Toncoin in November witnessed its price soaring to a new year-to-date YTD high of $2.770. This peak represented a significant turnaround for the cryptocurrency in 2023, following a loss of over 55% in the first 2 quarters of the year. TON is currently consolidating above its FIB 0.786 level of $2.387, trading 0.33% higher at $2.456. This consistent upward trend has resulted in an overall increase of over 5% during the previous week. Amid the established tokens, crypto presales offer fresh Bitcoin alternatives. They are in their early stages but are drawing attention to their potential in the cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin ETF token and meme Kombat are 2 such projects that have gained notice as some of the best crypto to buy now. Building on our discussion of why TIA, Uni, TON, btcetf, and MK are the best crypto to buy now, let's analyze their technical and fundamental characteristics. Bulls take charge as TIA price eyes further gains. After a week of range-bound price action, Celestia TIA is attempting a breakout with the TIA price surging 7.2% so far today to $6.2,939. With technical indicators turning bullish, TIA may be gearing up for further gains in the sessions ahead. The 20-day EMA for the TIA price currently stands at $5.356, crossing above the 50-day EMA, typically a bullish sign. Meanwhile, the RSI has climbed to 63.6, up from yesterday's 60.48, showing growing momentum. As the TIA price pushes higher, it faces initial resistance at the Fib 0.236 level of $6.2,092. Beyond that, TIA must contend with the current swing high resistance between $7.1,401 and $7.4,283. Overcoming these levels could open the door for TIA to retest its all-time high of $8.19. On the downside, support lies at the Fib 0.382 level of $5.4548, aligning with the horizontal support zone spanning $5.1,260 to $5.4565. As long as TIA holds above this area, the uptrend remains intact. However, a break below $5.45 could lead to a steeper pullback towards the 20-day EMA around $5.03. TIA previously found support here earlier this month, so the bulls will want to defend this level. With buying momentum resurging as seen by the rising RSI, TIA looks set to take out overhead resistance. Still, trading within defined risk limits is prudent while awaiting confirmation of the breakout. A decisive move past $6.20 or below $5.45 will likely set the next major trend for the TIA price. Support holds, momentum fades, Uniswap's UNI navigates consolidation. After surging to a new multi-month high, Uniswap UNI has pulled back over the past week, with the UNI price shedding to 19% so far today to trade around $6.15. While still holding above key support, waning momentum suggests further consolidation may lie ahead for UNI in the near term. The 20-day EMA for the UNI price stands at $5.603, above the 50-day EMA of $5.100, reflecting the recent uptrend. However, the distance between the short and long-term EMAs has narrowed, pointing to decelerating upside momentum. The RSI has also cooled off, dropping to 65.33 from yesterday's 69.8, though still in bullish territory. Meanwhile, the MACD histogram has tapered to 0.063, down from 0.081 previously. This indicates slowing bullish sentiment that could limit gains for the UNI price. On the upside, UNI faces immediate resistance at the horizontal zone between $6.32 and $6.489, which has capped gains over the past week. A decisive break above this area is needed to resume the uptrend towards the psychological $7 level. On the downside, the first layer of support lies at the Fib 0.786 level of $6.84. This level aligns with the 20-day EMA near $5.60, making it a key battleground for bulls and bears. Losing this area could trigger a drop back towards the 50-day EMA around $5.10. UNI will need to hold above this longer-term moving average to maintain its bullish posturing. While UNI remains in an uptrend, indicators suggest bullish momentum is stalling. Traders may consider tightening stops and lowering position sizes until a clearer direction emerges. Move outside of $6.50 resistance or below $6 support will likely set the trend. Toncoin ton. The Toncoin ton price continues to hold above crucial support levels, trading at $2.456 with a gain of 0.33% so far today. With the 20-day EMA at $2.371 and the 50-day EMA at $3.264, the short-term moving average remains above the long-term moving average, typically a bullish signal. However, with the two EMAs converging, volatility and uncertainty surround the ton price, and investors should proceed cautiously, relying solely on this indicator. The RSI currently stands at 57.74, up slightly from 57.29 yesterday. This shows momentum strengthening in the ton price and that it is moving away from oversold territory below 30. The MACD histogram sits at 0.1, improving from 0.4 the previous day. This indicates the negative momentum is slowing and a potential bullish MACD crossover could emerge. Ton currently faces resistance between $2.576 and $2.06. Overcoming this could propel prices higher. Support lies between $2.334 and $2.387, aligned with the 20-day EMA and Fib 0.786 level. This support needs to hold to avoid a steep drop. With indicators showing both caution and potential, the ton price remains at a crossroads. A decisive break past resistance or support could determine the next major trend. As leading coins grab headlines, new crypto projects also offer upside potential. Presales give bold investors access to tokens early at a fraction of their possible future price. Bitcoin ETF token and meme Kombat are two fresh options still gearing up for launch. Bitcoin alternatives flying under the radar. As Bitcoin continues leading the market, many savvy crypto investors are looking beyond the flagship currency to lesser-known alternatives that have yet to capture the spotlight. Though still high risk, participating in early-stage presales of promising new cryptocurrencies allows investors to acquire tokens at cheaper prices compared to their potential future value. The key is identifying promising projects on the verge of solving real-world problems or meeting unsatisfied market demand. Bitcoin ETF token and meme Kombat are two such cryptocurrencies offering presale opportunities. Their offerings give investors a chance to get in early on what could become major players down the line at a fraction of their possible future price. For crypto investors searching for Bitcoin alternatives, these presales may warrant consideration before their official launch. Bitcoin ETF token, a leading contender for best crypto to buy now. While many alternatives to Bitcoin exist, Bitcoin ETF token stands out for its robust tokenomics model and potential to capitalize on the momentum surrounding the much-anticipated SEC approval of a Bitcoin ETF. The project incorporates three key components primed to drive substantial gains. First is a 25% token burn allocated across 5 Bitcoin ETF milestones, creating scarcity as excitement peaks. The deflationary pressure is compounded by a 5% transaction burn, rewarding long-term holding. Next, staking enables holders to earn 129% APY in passive income. Yields will decrease as the staking pool grows, however, making early participation vital. Finally, Bitcoin ETF token offers a news dashboard compiling the latest Bitcoin developments and events. This unique utility seeks to cultivate an active, engaged community around the project. src equals https://i.com/roman6/id/hq default. JPG alt equals width equals 480 height equals 360 iframe title equals new Bitcoin ETF 10x potential crypto presale. Why this might 10x? Width equals 640, height equals 360, src equals https://www.youtube.com/embed/7nhssp-semj4. Feature equals owned, frame border equals 0, allow equals accelerometer, autoplay, clipboard write, encrypted media, gyroscope, picture-in-picture, web share, allow full screen /iframe with over $1.92 million raised in just the first 3 weeks. Bitcoin ETF tokens presale momentum is accelerating rapidly. Once listed on exchanges, analysts forecast even more upside, with Jacob Berry predicting a tank surge from presale prices. For crypto investors focused on the most promising Bitcoin alternatives before their official launch, Bitcoin ETF token checks many boxes. With the right combination of tokenomics, utility, and market timing, it may be one of the best cryptos to consider buying now. Can pre-launch meme Kombat become the best crypto to buy now? While Plator and P2OE models have struggled to gain traction in traditional gaming, they have found fertile ground in crypto by integrating digital assets. One leader of this approach is Axie Infinity, which features battles between NFT monsters that players can earn income from. Now a new project called Meme Kombat seeks to bring a similar model to the meme coin industry while still in the presale stage. With $2.2 million raised so far, its native MK token currently sells for 214 cents in the presale, increasing in price at each stage. Meme Kombat will feature fights between popular meme coin mascots, each with unique strengths and weaknesses. Players will be able to bet MK tokens on match outcomes, with results recorded on the blockchain for transparency. IMG equals https://com/roman6/id/hq default. JPG alt equals width equals 480, height equals 360, iframe title equals exclusive. Meme Kombat smashes records, raises $2 million. Full review. Width equals 640, height equals 360, src equals https://www.youtube.com/embed/67wx5ia. Feature equals owned. Frame border equals 0, allow equals accelerometer, autoplay, clipboard write, encrypted media, gyroscope, picture-in-picture, web share, allow full screen /iframe, and AI will manage battles and payouts based on gaming mechanics and fighter attributes. The gameplay involves staking MK tokens and using a portion to bet in PvP or PvG modes. PvP allows betting against other players, while PvG involves probability-based bets against the house. Players will be able to formulate strategies to predict fight outcomes. Meme Kombat's tokenomics involve a total supply of 120 million MK, with 50% for presale, 30% for staking/betting rewards, and a 20% split for liquidity and community rewards. The project roadmap follows a seasonal model common in modern gaming. The team plans to retain veteran players while attracting new ones with regular gameplay updates. For those drawn to pre-launch potential, Meme Kombat could be one of the best crypto to buy now among current presale alternatives. Disclaimer: crypto is a high-risk asset class. This article is provided for informational purposes and does not constitute investment advice. You could lose all of your capital. Enter your email for our free daily newsletter or a quick 3-minute read about today's crypto news. Sign up. IMG equals https://simg co/p/ml300 jpeg alt equals image class equals imgid equals newsletter pop-up img.